Ginger is one of the most powerful natural medicines. It has powerful functions for many diseases you may find and is very valuable for your health. Besides, it also has a delicious and unique refreshing taste. Let's take a look at the benefits of ginger, ONS. For many diseases you may find and is very valuable for your health. Besides, it also has a delicious and unique refreshing taste. Let's take a look at the benefits of ginger, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. As you already know, oxidation and inflammation are some of the main contributors to serious and chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, arthritis and Alzheimer's disease. The ability of ginger to stop inflammation and act as an extremely powerful antioxidant is that it can help prevent, slow or even stop the onset of serious illnesses. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Reduces arthritis pain and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory compound, gingerol, helps reduce pain and inflammation and improve circulation in people with osteoarthritis and even rheumatoid arthritis when they consume it regularly. According to George Meteljan of World's Healthiest Foods, 2 studies of arthritis patients found that 75% reported pain relief and swelling. According to a study published in the November 2003 issue of Life Sciences, E6 gingerol inhibits the production of highly reactive free radicals. In another February 2005 study from the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, ginger prevents the formation of pro-inflammatory cytokine and chemokine compounds in the lining of joints, as well as other inflammatory compounds in joint cartilage and cells immune. Ginger is also very effective in preventing muscle pain, stiffness and inflammation from exercise. Fight cancer. Ginger is so powerful, it can fight cancer and effectively shrink tumors and destroy cancer stem cells. In an article titled, Ginger and Cancer by Kelly Herring, published in the U.S. Wellness Meets, May 6, 2016, Kelly reports that while chemotherapy kills cancer cells and healthy cells in the body, it can leave cells deadly cancer strains, which can allow new cancerous tumors to return. According to Kelly and the Journal of Pharmacology and Therapeutics, cancer stem cells (CSCs), which comprise a small fraction of cancer cells, are believed to be the source of most human tumors. Numerous studies also suggest that cancer stem cells are the basis for metastasis. Ginger contains another powerful compound, 6-school, which according to a study carried out in 2015, is very effective in killing cancer stem cells in breast cancer. Shogal has been compared to chemotherapy drugs, Taxol, and turmeric curcumin. The compound found in ginger is more effective, especially against cancer stem cells. Kelly's article, Ginger and Cancer, goes on to state that Taxol may not correspond to the same activity as a school even with 10,000 times more. The best thing about this study is that the powerful cancer-fighting properties of ginger occur without harmful side effects from chemotherapy results. Gingerol has also been shown, according to a study by the Hormel Institute at the University of Minnesota, to be active against the growth of colorectal cells in colon cancer. Ginger extracts have been shown in scientific studies to have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and anti-tumor effects on human cells and cancer cells. In a University of Michigan study, gingerol kills ovarian cancer cells. Ovarian cancer is thought to be caused in part by inflammation, and because ginger has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect on cells and reduces key inflammatory indicators, it reduces the chances of developing cancer. Ovary and decreases tumor capacity. While conventional chemotherapy also removes the same inflammatory markers, in addition to destroying the body's healthy cells and immune function, but also the possibility of creating drug resistance. Cancer cells exposed to ginger do not become resistant. Ovarian cancer is often thought of as a silent, deadly killer, so an ounce of prevention in the form of ginger is highly recommended for most women of childbearing and menstrual age. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Fights nausea. Ginger has long been known as a digestive aid, especially for nausea and motion sickness. It has been proven to work better than Dramamine, one of the best-known medications for motion sickness. Ginger is particularly useful in helping pregnant women who experience morning sickness, including the most severe form, hyperemesis gravida. The important thing to note here is that, unlike most anti-nausea medications that can cause birth defects, ginger has no harmful effects for pregnancy. Note, although ginger is considered safe, check with your doctor before consuming ginger if you are pregnant. High doses can increase the risk of miscarriage. The anti-nausea action of ginger is also very useful for nausea and vomiting in post-operative patients, and useful for chemotherapy patients with nausea and vomiting as standard cancer treatments. Alzheimer's and how the brain works. Ginger and its cousin, turmeric, are known weapons against Alzheimer's disease. Some research on Alzheimer's inflammatory factors involved in the disease shows that curcumin, also found in turmeric, as well as gingerol, not only inhibits, but also reverses the amyloid plaques in the brain, associated with Alzheimer's disease. Another antioxidant in ginger, zingerone, neutralizes free radicals peroxynitrites, another important factor in Alzheimer's disease and other neurological diseases. In another study on ginger, it was shown that ginger could reverse the dysfunctional behaviors caused by Alzheimer's disease and other forms of dementia. Ginger also has barrier functions against acetylcholinesterase, an enzyme that breaks down acetylcholine, similar to many popular drugs for Alzheimer's disease but without the terrible side effects. Acetylcholine is an important brain chemical, necessary for learning and memory. Ginger claims a very positive effect on mental capacity, even in healthy people. Ginger has been shown in studies to improve cognitive ability and improve overall brain function while reducing oxidative stress. And since ginger is also a stimulant, it helps increase mental alertness without nervousness as can cause caffeine. MSG, or monosodium glutamate, a common ingredient in Asian foods and processed meats and other foods, is considered to be a harmful excitotoxin and a neurotoxin. Ginger helps protect and reduce the toxicity of this ingredient. MSG has been linked to Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease and ADD. Maintains a healthy blood sugar level in diabetes. As the number of people with diabetes increases, so do studies on natural substances that can help control this deadly and widespread disease. Although this area of research is relatively new, ginger has been shown to have fairly effective anti-diabetic properties. In a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, the consumption of ginger has a very positive effect on the state of blood sugar, lipid profile and other inflammatory markers of this disease. Ginger also reduces fasting blood sugar, HbA1c, insulin resistance, triglycerides, total cholesterol, C-reactive protein, and prostaglandin E2, another inflammatory marker. The researchers concluded, ginger should be considered an effective treatment for the prevention of complications from diabetes. Another study on ginger showed a decrease in fasting blood sugar by 12% and a decrease in HbA1c by 10%, as well as a 28% reduction in the ApoB/ApoAI ratio and a reduction of 23% of markers for oxidized lipoproteins, major risk factors in heart disease, one of the main complications of diabetes. Combat diseases and strokes. As mentioned above, ginger also works against heart disease, by lowering the ApoB/ApoAI ratio. The ApoB/ApoAI ratio is a measure that is more precise than the cholesterol level to estimate the balance between the different types of lipoproteins in the blood, which promotes the formation of plaques in the arteries leading to heart disease. Research on mice, published in the Journal of Nutrition, May 2000, showed a 44% reduction in arterial plaques, a 27% reduction in triglycerides, a reduction in VLDL by 53%, a 33% reduction in LDL cholesterol, and a reduction in LDL oxidation and aggregation. The researchers concluded that eating ginger food significantly slows the development of atherosclerotic lesions that lead to heart attacks and strokes. Anti-clotting. Platelets are a part of the blood that can pool together, creating clots that block arteries and blood vessels, resulting in heart attacks, strokes, and deep vein thrombosis. Certain substances in the platelets can make them more likely to aggregate. Ginger helps to reduce platelet aggregation significantly, but check with your doctor if you are taking any type of medication for this condition. Burns fat and increases metabolism. Ginger as a fat-burning food stimulates metabolism and thermogenesis, which means you burn fat faster. Some research indicates that ginger can help boost your metabolism by about 5%, and increase your potential fat burning by up to 16%. Besides, ginger helps suppress your appetite. Drinking a cup or two of ginger tea before a meal will reduce food consumption. Ginger is also popular for several other health problems, including increased immune function, reduced pain, reduced effects of toxic chemicals, treatment of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, protection of cells against radiation, fight against migraine, treatment of indigestion, fight against gum disease, refreshes the breath and increases energy. How to get the benefits of ginger? Ginger generally comes in two forms, a fresh or dried ginger root. Fresh ginger contains the most gingerol, but the dry form contains more school for cancer control. Once cooked, the main active ingredient in ginger is zingerone. There are many ways to get the benefits of ginger for a refreshing taste. Try adding some fresh or dried ginger to your smoothies, or make tea by simmering it. Slice ginger with a twist. Lemon and honey or maple syrup. You can also chop ginger and add it to your favorite healthy dressing, or marinated meat combined with soy, lemon, chopped garlic and a touch of honey. Remember to add ginger to your next pan, and remember to eat ginger with your sushi. You can also find many tea bags with ginger for a delicious cup of ginger tea. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.